You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience.
Alright, so I know I look super basic right now, but today I actually wanted to film my first and ever get ready with me makeup and outfit video. Tonight is date night. I'm about to go out later on tonight with Babe. We're gonna go to the Rose Wine Mansion exhibit in New York City, and then we're gonna go out to eat. I just wanted you dolls to get ready with me. I usually just don't pick up the camera and say, okay, let me just, you know. But today we're winging it. I'm gonna do a very basic look, and it's hot. It's very, very hot out here in New York, so I don't want to put on too much makeup. Gonna do my simple basic wing liner, and we're just gonna have some fun today. So if you dolls are interested in getting ready with me and then chilling with me in the city and Bay today, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, though, so this is my final look. I went ahead and I threw on my MINK nude lashes. I absolutely love. I went for a real easy, breezy, calm makeup look today because, you know, I'm gonna be doing a lot walking around and I don't want to sweat. So I did a very natural, simple beat. I'm gonna lock it all in with my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. And if you guys are interested in seeing what outfit I choose for today's activities, then see you dolls in the city.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, it ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here.